I.R.S, how may I help you today?
Yes, hi. I just got a call that I was getting a lawsuit.
Okay. So, sir, can you confirm your first and your last name to pull out the correct information for you?
I can't understand what you're saying. What was that? What did you say? They keep hanging up on me. This is interesting. Gotta love it.
Internal Revenue Service, how may I help you today?
Yes, hi. Yes, I just got a phone call that you guys have a lawsuit against me.
Okay, sir, when did you receive the call?
About 10 minutes ago.
Did you receive any case file number?
No, I did not.
Okay, so can I have your first name and last name in order to go ahead and pull out your information, sir?
Okay, it's Steve.
Steve.
Yeah, Steve. It's a weird way of spelling it. Hopefully you can get this. V-I-S-A-R. Vicero. Steve Vicero.
Vicero.
Oh my God. V-I-S-A-R-O.
Vicero.
Close. You're not saying it right, but it's okay. Vicero. Steve Vicero.
All right, Mr. Steve. Okay. Did you receive any case file number?
You just asked me that. I said no. All it. Unbelievable. They keep hanging up on me. Everybody, if you have a Google Voice number, use it and call this number over and over and over again. Spam the crap out of these scammers.
You're reaching Internal Revenue Service. How can I help you?
Yeah, you hung up on me, man. You had me really worried. This is Steve Visario. You hung up. You started talking, then you hung up on me. Why'd you do that?
No. This is Officer Brad and Ivano.
What?
Do you want to speak?
No, I was just talking to you.
Don't hang up on me. Do you know what DHS stands for?
DHS? What are you talking about?
Apparently
You hung up
not,
on me.
You dumb fuck. Department of Homeland Security, motherfucker. We got you pegged.
Awesome.
You know what that means?
What does that mean?
You know what that means?
What does what mean?
We're going to send a team to where you're located.
Awesome. I'm so excited. Make
You're
sure.
excited? No,
Yeah,
can't wait.
absolutely. I can't wait. Are you going to send somebody?
Can't wait.
Are you? Oh my God, I'm excited.
At the
I
end of
can't
next
wait. I can't freaking wait. It's going to be awesome. Finally, a home-cooked meal. It's going to be excellent. I can't wait.
Home-cooked meal.
Yeah, you said you're going to send people, right? You're going to arrest me? You're going to put me in jail? I'll be able to get food. It's going to be excellent.
No.
I can't wait.
Not those type of jails. No. You understand?
No, I don't. Can you explain to me?
We'll explain it to you when we see you. But
Yeah,
first,
I highly doubt you're going to see me. I highly doubt that. I think you're full of crapatolo. Because every time I keep calling, you keep hanging up on me.
I keep hanging up on you?
Yeah. Absolutely. I've called over and over and over again.
I can't.
What?
What's your name?
Steve Visario. I keep telling you that over and over and over again. You fucking deaf?
Steve Casario.
Visario. V-I-S-A-R-O.
Hold on 1 second.
Guys, this is going to be great. I want you guys to call this number over and over and over again. This is a scam, huge scam. And this is going to be great. Unbelievable. Make sure you track this number down. It's so wacky because originally when I call it says I.R.S. and then the guy comes on and calls it DHS, the Department of Homeland Security. So obviously it's this big scam. He doesn't know which it is. It's I.R.S. or Department of Homeland Security. It's a huge scam. That phone number that I told you, you got whoever, hopefully the right people actually can find out if this is being pinged off the wrong tower or whatever. It's 347-491-0038. Hopefully get the right people involved and catch this asshole. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. This is great.